Good evening. Can I start the cinema? Can you please confirm? Is it audible? Audio and video both are clear. Yeah. Can I start? Yeah. Let me start the cinema. Hi friends. So in the last videos we covered okay, just the basics of Python. Okay, why Python, what are various features are there, what application areas are there for the Python, which companies are using Python. The brief introduction we covered, flavors of Python and Python versions. Sir, we require to use Python 2x or Python 3x. Which one? Can you please confirm? Either 2x or 3x. Respond. Python 3x. Python 2x support is not there. Remember this one, from 2020 onwards. Python 2x support is not there. Remember carefully, right? Okay. Well, sir, now the next cinema, what we have to talk at the part of this next level, sir. Sir, there is one concept we have to talk about: identifiers. Very basics, very basics. All these things, don't worry, sir. Slowly we will enter into our cinema. Identifiers. Okay, there are some very innocent people are there in our session. For them especially, it is very helpful. Identifier. Can you please tell what is identifier? Identifier. The name itself indicates. Have you observed, right? Identifier. What is the identifier? Respond, man. What is identifier? Can you please confirm? Yes, very simple. Very simple. The name of variables are variable. Okay, well, sir, anything which can be used for identification purpose. Anything which can be used for identification purpose is called identifier. Okay, like, sir, usually in our session almost around 200 students are there. Assume that, sir. Then how I can identify each person? Okay, Shiva, Vardhan, okay, Vardhan, Sravanti, okay, Sushovan, okay, like, how I can identify each person? By name. By name I can identify. That name in Python program. That name in Python program, Python program is called identifier. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. That name in Python program is called identifier. Okay, like, so it can be a variable name, it can be a variable name, or it can be a function name, or it can be a class name, or it can be method name, etc. Sir, any name in Python program is called identifier. Remember carefully, right? Sir, if I consider a is equal to 10, I'm taking, sir. Sir, 10 is the value. 10 is the literal means value. Okay, what about this a? Can you please confirm? A itself is name of variable. That name of variable itself is by default considered as identifier. Remember carefully, right? That name of the variable itself is what? Identifier. Okay, like, sir, now the next, so what is identifier? It's a very clear for you people, right? Okay, well, sorry, what is identifier? It's very clear. Now, do you know, while defining names, we have to follow certain rules and regulations, right? So while defining names, we require to follow certain rules and regulations. Suppose, best example for you. Suppose, assume that you have one kid. Okay, you have one kid, you blessed with a kid, baby boy or baby girl. So compulsory you have to name your kid. Respond, do you have the kids? Huh? Do you have the kids? Huh? Do you have the kids? I told. I will ask this question again and again. Do you have the kids? Are? Good. Ah, ah, uh, good. Okay. Don't tell no, no, no. Not recommended. Not recommended. Okay. So either you have to tell just yes or otherwise. Okay. Soon, soon. Okay. Like. So now my question is, if you have the kid, you have to name your kid. Sir, naming ceremony is a big festival in our house. Assume that, sir. So while naming kids, okay, usually what we have to follow certain rules and regulations, right? We have to see we have to see birth time. Okay, next that name should reflect our ancestor names, or otherwise do you know either god name or goddess name, something like we have to do some research R&D, and then okay, we have to keep the name. Okay, like compulsory, sir, namesake the people are not going to keep the names. Okay, remember that. Okay, like compulsory there should be some sentiment must be there, nakshatra, place name, rashi, whatever time, at what time, okay, this person born. Okay, like all the things are going to be there, because that name itself is very important, right? Okay, like compulsory we have to follow, okay, some rules and regulations, right? Suppose assume, is it recommended to keep the kid name as dog or cat, something like. So if you are keeping the kid name as dog or cat, he is the silent at this time, but once he grow, he will give left and right. Remember this one. He will give left and right. Your name is very posh name, but my name is the cat or dog, something like. Definitely it's a bigger problem, right? Okay, like. So same way, while defining Python variables also, we have to follow certain rules and regulations, right? So rules to define identifiers in Python. Okay, rules to define identifiers in Python, sir. What rules we have to follow? Okay, very simple, sir. Sir, do you know the first rule? Okay, the only allowed characters in Python identifier are, okay, the only allowed characters in Python identifiers, in Python identifiers are, you can take A to Z, either lowercase or uppercase, no problem at all. Next you can use 0 to 9, you can use. Next you can use underscore symbol, like sir, these are things happily you can use, no problem, right? Okay, dollar symbol you are not allowed to use, it is not Java. Remember this one, sir, it's not Java. Dollar symbol we are not allowed to use in our identifiers, Python identifiers, but in Java we are allowed to use dollar, but here not there. Either alphabet symbol or digit or underscore symbol only we can use. By mistake, if we are using any other symbol, immediately we will get a error. Remember this one, sir. No other symbols we are allowed to use. No other symbols. Remember, except these, in the names we are not allowed to use any other symbol, hash symbol, @ symbol, and dollar symbol. Such type of things are not applicable. Okay, like. So now here just observe that. Here I am trying to take. So just cash is equal to 10. Is it valid or not? I respond. Is it valid or not? Okay, sir. Here I'm trying to take. Here just observe that. I'm trying to take this one. Here just cash. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Sir, now here just observe py. Okay, sir, CASH is equal to 10. I'm trying to take. Can you please confirm? It is the valid. CA $H is equal to 10. I'm taking, sir. Please confirm, is it a valid or invalid? Invalid, because dollar symbol we are not allowed to use. Immediately syntax error, invalid syntax we are getting, sir. Syntax error, invalid syntax. So here suppose, so all total number is equal to 10. I'm taking. Yes, it is a valid, no problem, right? Total yash is equal to 10. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Hey, respond. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid, invalid, invalid. Like name total is not defined. Something like we are going to get. So it is the invalid, invalid, right? Similarly, okay, all at the rate hands is equal to 10. I'm trying to take. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid, invalid. What the reason for that is at the rate symbol is not allowed. Can't assign to operator. Something like we can't is so that is the bigger problem what you require to get, sir. So the only allowed symbols in identifiers are okay either alphabet symbols or digits or underscore symbol. Okay, well. Next, by mistake, if you are using any other symbol, immediately error you are going to get, sir. This is the first rule. Okay, well. Second one, can you please confirm, is it valid line or not? Total 1, 2, 3 is equal to 10. Please confirm. I respond. Is it valid or invalid? Total 1, 2, 3 is equal to 10. Valid or not? Valid, valid. What is the problem with that? Suppose if I can take 1, 2, 3 total. 1, 2, 3 total is equal to 10. Is it valid or not? Yes. The people who are coming from other programming languages, yes, everywhere this rule is there. Identifier should not start with a digit. Remember this one. Identifier should not start with a digit like so we are going to get the error. Okay, now here see this one. Total 1, 2, 3 is equal to 10. Valid, no problem, right? But 1, 2, 3 total is equal to 10. Immediately error by default you are going to get, sir, syntax error, invalid syntax. Remember carefully, right? Invalid syntax. So identifiers should not starts with the digit. Identifiers should not starts with the digit. Like sir, this is the second. Next, do you know? So here this is the second rule. I hope up to this is the clear. Array, which characters are allowed or which symbols are allowed. So identifier should not start with the digit like. Now the next one here, just observe that, sir. Identifiers are case sensitive. Remember this one, sir. Identifiers are case sensitive, right? So means, do you know, you can use lowercase and uppercase. There is a difference is there. Of course, Python programming language itself is the case sensitive programming language. Remember carefully, right? Python itself is the case sensitive programming language. In the introduction demo sessions, several students asked, sir, is it a case sensitive language? Lowercase and uppercase, there is a difference there or not? Yes, there is a difference there. It is a case sensitive programming language. Okay, like sir, best example. Suppose here I'm trying to take suppose L is equal to just assume 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, assume that. Sir, now I'm trying to take print. So 10 in L I'm trying to take, sir. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? 10 in L, is it valid or not? Valid, no problem at all. Valid. Okay, now here py tester.py I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, true. 10 is there, itself is the valid. By mistake, if I use in, okay, instead of small n, I took a capital IN. Sorry, Python can't recognize this word. Remember this one. Sorry, Python can't recognize this word. Okay, immediately error we are going to get. Array, what is the meaning of this one? Invalid syntax. What is the meaning of this one? So if you are using small in, then only it is understandable by Python virtual machine. But if you are using capital IN, immediately error we are going to get. Okay, like sir, most of the people are going to fail. Sir, everywhere case is important, like everywhere in every programming language case is important. Sir, can you please tell somewhere either case is not important? Can you please tell somewhere like do you know HTML is there, sir. HTML page is there. Remember, sir, here just I'm trying to take here H1 hello friends. So everything anything happen is always good for us, is always good for us. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, just this is my statement. I'm trying to take anything happen is always good for us. Okay, like I'm taking this statement, sir. Now can you please tell here lowercase h1 tags I'm using. Okay, lowercase h1 tags I'm using, sir. Now let me save this one. Okay, here just abc.html I'm trying to take. abc.html, don't worry sir, here just where is abc.html. okay, like now observe this one. Sir, I got this one. Hello friends, anything. Suppose if I use instead of small h1, capital H1 tag I'm trying to use. Capital H1 tag I'm trying to use, right? H1 tag. Next here H1 tag. H1 tag. Next here body is there. Instead of small, capital letters I'm taking body. Okay, like so now observe this. Here just body like this I'm trying to take. Can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? 100% pakka, this one is valid. 100% pakka, this one is valid. Okay, now observe that here earlier this is the page, but now this is the same thing we are going to get, sir. So HTML is the case sensitive programming language. Case sensitive or not, HTML where case is not important, but in Python make sure case is important. Observe carefully, right? Okay, sir, here just if I can take sir, total, here just observe total is equal to 10 I'm taking. Now total is equal to 20 I'm taking. Okay, sir, total is equal to 30 I'm taking, sir. Now this total, three variables are there. Sir. Let me print small total. What the answer I got? 10. Let me print capital total. What is the value? 20. Sir, let me take so total like 30 we are going to get. Yeah, what a beautiful. Have you observed? Are you in the position to understand, right? So now case is important or not? Yes, this total is the different, like so Python identifiers are case sensitive. Of course Python programming language itself is case sensitive programming language. Okay, like now the next what is the max allowed length for Python identifiers? Can you please confirm? What is the max allowed length for Python identifiers? Yeah. Anyone? Can you please tell? Max allowed length. Array in the name, how many characters we can take? Suppose I want to define a variable. Sir. My variable name is x and so on. Okay. Next and after that, y and so on. Next and after that, here z. Like I'm trying to take. Sir, here this is the name of the variable, sir, I'm taking, sir. This is the name I'm trying to take is equal to 10 I'm taking. Wow, wonderful variable. Okay, this is the variable what I have. Okay, now is it valid or not? Yes, let me check this one. Let me check this one. Okay, here py test.py 100% pakka valid. I'm not seeing any error. Now I want to print its value. Okay, print okay, luckily copy paste option is there. Okay, print luckily copy paste option is there, sir. Okay, like now what is the output? I'm getting 10 perfectly itself is the value. So now I called one expert person. Of course, from this example, what is the conclusion we got? There is no length limit for identifiers. Even you can take 1 crore length identifier also. No length limit for identifiers. Even you can take 1 crore length identifier also. There is no problem, right? But now I have bigger question. Okay, what's my question is, I called one expert person. Arey, I wrote one beautiful program. Can you please have a look once? Like I showed this code. Then automatically that person is going to say from top to bottom, Durga, what you did? What you did? Like he's going to see from top to bottom. I declare a variable. Just I'm trying to print the value of that variable. Sir, to do these many lines is required. Like he's going to see from top to bottom. Never recommended to have such type of code. Remember, right? Okay, so no length limit, but not recommended. Okay, not recommended to take too lengthy identifiers. Okay, too lengthy identifiers not recommended to take. Okay, like clear, right? I hope is the clear for you people, right? Okay, it's not recommended to take too lengthy identifiers. Okay, like because it's going to reduce readability. Readability is going to be down. Next, one more point, sir. Okay, sir, I'm taking x is equal to 10. Is it valid or not? Respond. X is equal to 10. Is it valid or not? Valid. Valid. If if is equal to 20, is it valid or not? If is equal to 20, is it valid or not? Okay. By mistake, if you are taking like this, immediately error we are going to get. Okay, because the reason for that is in any programming language we have reserved words is there. Reserved words are there, sir, in any programming language. That's why here it is invalid. Remember carefully. So we can't use reserved words. Reserved words. Sometimes we may use the word keywords. We can't use reserved words or keywords as identifiers, because for if there is a meaning is there, so Python has some meaning, so you can't override that meaning. That's why so we can't use reserved words or keywords as identifiers. By mistake, if you are trying to take, immediately error you are going to get, sir. Sir, observe carefully. So now if I can take like this, sir, if here just x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 I'm taking, perfect. If is equal to 20 I'm trying to take, immediately syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, but immediately you people may ask, sir, how many keywords are there, how many reserved words are there? That part we are going to take care, don't worry. Clear? So what is identifier? So while defining identifiers, which rules we have to follow? Okay, rules to define identifiers compulsory. We should aware these things, right? Clear? You people are feeling comfortable? So which characters are allowed? Next, identifier should not start with the digit. Sir, identifiers are case sensitive. Next, no length limit for identifiers. Okay, you can take any lengthy identifier, no problem at all. We can't use a reserved words or keywords as identifiers. These are the rules what you have to follow. Sir, now I'm taking some examples, right? 1 2 3 total. Okay, total 1 2 3. 1 2 3 total 1 2 3. Java to share. Okay, sir, cache, like I'm trying to take, sir, underscore abc underscore I'm trying to take. Next, def I'm taking. Next, if I'm taking, can you please confirm among these which are valid identifiers, in Python? Can you please confirm which are valid identifiers? Yeah, please confirm which are valid identifiers. Yeah, first one, second one. So the first one is invalid. Invalid because identifier should not start with the digit. But second one perfectly valid because I covered already this one. Third one is valid, no problem, right? Java to share, what is the problem with that? Sir, $, it is invalid because dollar symbol is not allowed. What about last one? Can you please confirm? I mean this one, is it valid or not? Yes, it is. Yeah, E. Valid because allowed symbols only I'm using. Underscore, okay, extra underscore I'm using. Sir, what about F? Is it valid or not? Please confirm. Def, is it valid or not? Yeah. Take a bit very special care. At this stage, even if you are unable to answer, no problem, right? So in Python, def is a keyword. That's why you can't use. Okay, def is a keyword. Of course, I will cover how many reserved words or keywords are there in Python. That part I will take care. Don't worry, sir. What about if? Is it valid or not? What about if? Is it valid or not? Yes, 100% pakka it is. Is it valid or invalid? 100% pakka it is. Respond, valid or invalid? I want to see the answer from you people. Is it valid or invalid? Please take a bit very special care about this one. 100% pakka this one is invalid. Okay, no. It is valid. It is valid, no problem. It is valid. What is the reason for that is you are feeling sir, it is a reserved word, that's why it is invalid. Sorry sir, reserved word is sir, small if. Okay, reserved word is small if. Lower case and upper case, there is a difference is there. Okay, so here capital uppercase we are using, that's why it is not a reserved word. Have you observed, right? It is not a reserved word. This one is not reserved word, but it is a reserved word. Reserved word is invalid, but not reserved, that's why itself is valid. Clear? Are you in the position to understand? Yeah, please take a bit special care to understand. So that's all. It's the very basics. Nothing will be there. Not required to keep much. Not required to keep much explanation. Also these basics. Okay. Now that's all. But we should not use now. Who is asking? Man, Manover alam. Yes, alam. We can use. What is the problem with this? We can use. What is the problem? But not recommended, because unnecessary confusion I'm going to keep. That's why it is getting alam. Are you talking about this, right? Yeah. Here just observe that some people may feel if is equal to sir 999 I'm taking print of if. Print of if I'm trying to take. Please confirm, is it valid or not? Yes. What is the problem with that? What is the problem with that? 100% pakka itself is valid. Pivot test or pivot valid. 999 itself is 999 itself is the answer we are going to get. Okay. So lower case are the reserved words. Lower case things are reserved word. Here by mistake, if is equal to 777 I'm taking, immediately Python virtual machine will give left and right. Lavanya, here have you observed? If it is the reserved word how you can use for variable name, like immediately we are going to get a error. Okay, error, syntax error for the if. Clear, right? That's it. So it itself is perfectly valid. Next, do you know what about underscore, sir? Underscore, only single underscore. It is a perfectly valid. Here just observe, there is a big story is there about underscore symbols. Don't worry about that. There is a big story is there about underscore symbols, right? So don't worry about that. Okay, starts with underscore, ends with like you have to take a bit special care about that, because generally we won't use that. Okay, here. So general words up to this is the clear for you people, right? Next, there is one small thing I have to talk. Yes, take a bit very special care about these things, right? Sir, here I'm taking A, B, C I'm trying to take. A, B, C I'm taking, sir. Next, here I'm trying to take underscore ABC I'm taking. Underscore ABC I'm taking. Underscore ABC underscore. Yeah. All these things are valid or not? All these things are valid or not? Hurry, what is the problem? 100% pakka itself is valid. No problem at all. If you want, you can take this and you can print. Acceptable, right? But here in Python, in the future, you have to take a bit special care. Okay, what you require to take is, here it is the normal. If any variable starts with the underscore symbol, if any variable starts with a single underscore symbol, it is a protected variable. Okay, it is a protected. Do you know the people who are coming from other programming languages like Java, public, private, protected? Okay, like we have, right? We required, we have. Okay, just aware there is do we have such type of terminology in Python? Yes, we have, but convention is like if any variable starts with a single underscore symbol, there is a special meaning is there for that. But what is the meaning? As of now, just aware, boss, this variable is the protected variable. Then immediately you ask, sir, what is the meaning of protected? Don't worry, this part we are going to discuss in the next level at this stage. If the variable starts with a single underscore symbol, boss, there is some special meaning is there. You have to aware. If the variable starts with two underscore symbols, right? This variable is the private variable. Okay, private variable. Sir, what is the meaning of private? What is the meaning of this private variable? That part in the whoops concept I will discuss, so don't worry, right? Next, what is about this one, sir? Underscore starts with two underscores, ends with two underscores. Are you getting? Starts with two underscores, ends with two underscores. Please take a bit very special care. This type of thing is by default considered a magic word. Okay, remember, this is a special word, boss, language reserved, special word, language reserved, special word or special identifier. You can use the word special identifier. Okay, like language reserved special identifier. Underscore init underscore name underscore doc underscore. Have you observed, right? For all these things, these are predefined. These are the predefined. I am not creating my own. These are the predefined in Python. So for all these things, you are seeing two underscore symbols at the beginning, two underscore symbols at the end, two underscore symbols at the beginning. Like these are things are by default considered special words, magic words. But what is the meaning of that? That part I will take care in the next. So while if you are seeing any variable starts with the underscore symbol, or ends with the underscore symbol, there is some special meanings are there. Please take a bit very special care. But what is the meaning of these things? Slowly you people are going to get in the next level. At this stage you can't understand. Clear, right? Okay. Sir, name is the fixed. It is here, name is there. One variable like this is there, Bhaskar. Name, not anything. Name is like this only, it is there. Next, underscore main is also there. Okay, like it's all these things are predefined. Don't worry, sir, we will take care. So underscore symbol is there, take special care. That's what you people should aware. Okay. Yeah, so can I use for these for our variables or not? Yes, no problem, right? Underscore a underscore is equal to 10 print underscore a underscore. Is it going to work or not? Yes, I don't think you are going to get some difficulty. Perfectly itself is the value. Sushovan itself is the value. But starts and ends with the two underscore symbols is also valid. But Python virtual machine, there is a special meaning is there for some words. That's why magic words. Clear, right? Okay. Mangesh, what is the name error? You are asking about name error, right? Name error. What is the meaning of that? Okay. Name error somewhere. You may heard about that. What it means? Yeah, nothing will be there, sir. Here, just observe that. What is that? Don't worry. In Python, if something goes wrong, we are going to get some errors. Python specific errors. Suppose here I'm taking if is equal to 10. If is equal to 10. Is it a syntactical mistake or not? Is it a syntactical mistake or not? Yes, it is a syntax. It is a syntactical mistake. What is the error by the sorry, it is not syntactical mistake. If small if syntactical mistake. Now observe, what is the error by default? We are getting syntax error, invalid syntax. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Now here I am trying to take print of x. Is it error or not? Is it error or not? Yes, itself is the error. Itself is the error. Like sir, now because why the problem is going to come? Why the problem will come? Can you please confirm? Mangesh, you have to tell why the problem is coming. You didn't define x, you didn't define x, that's why you are trying to print. Now observe that what is the problem you are going to get. Now have a look once, sir. Name error, name x is not defined. Boss, I'm unable to see this variable x, name error, like we are going to get. Yes, Mangesh, is it clear, right? Okay, so slowly, don't concentrate at this age, this type of errors, what is the meaning of that? Oh, don't, it is next level cinema. We are getting error, that's all. Which error? Later we will talk. Okay, so don't see through the magnifier at this stage. Okay, just familiar the Python related terminology. Okay, slowly we will dig. That's it. Clear for you people? What is identifier? What are various rules we require to follow for identifiers like? Yes, everything is clear for you people, right? Okay, well. Now the next cinema, what I have to tax on? Reserved words. Reserved words. Reserved words. Okay, like. Sir, now here take a bit special care about this one. I told already in the last videos, in any language, whether it is the general speaking language or programming language, in any language, there may be a chance, some words reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Okay, English language. Sir, in English, apple is reserved to represent some fruit. Have you observed? Apple is reserved to represent some fruit. Similarly, okay, dog, this word is reserved to represent one animal, one type of animal to represent dog is there. So, apple means it is a reserved. Dog, it is a reserved word. Similarly, sleep is a reserved. It has some meaning, it has some functionality. Boss, I am sleeping means so there is it is representing some functionality, some activity, right? So in any language, whether it is programming language or general speaking language, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. Remember carefully. Even in Python also, some words are reserved. Some words are reserved, right? In Python also, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. Reserved words are keywords, both the things are same, no difference at all. Interchangeably you can use any word. Okay, so in Python, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. To represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called. Can you please confirm, sir? In Python, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. Yeah, perfect. Any doubt? Sir, what is the meaning of reserved words? What is the meaning of reserved words? It is very clear for you people, right? Okay, well. Sir, in Python, how many reserved words are there? Okay, we are very lucky people. In Java, we have 53 reserved words are there in Java. In Java, 53 are there, sir. But in Python, we have, okay, in Python we have just reverse that number, 53. Reverse that number, 35. Are you getting 35? 35 reserved words are there. There are just 35 reserved words available in Python. The people who knows these 35 reserved words, that person is the expert in Python. Remember this one. Learning Python means understanding these 35 reserved words. So it may take 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. If you understand these 35 words, then you are the expert in Python. Remember carefully, right? Okay. So I will discuss. Don't worry at all. So do you want me to list all the reserved words present in Python? Just list out. I'm not we are not required to what we call we are not required to discuss internally what is the meaning of that. Learning, understanding, these are exactly what is the learning Python itself. That's why just have a look once. Suppose, have you ever heard about true, next false, next none, remember this one. Array, boolean values, true or false or none. Take very special case, sir. In other languages like Java, true, T small or capital, T small or capital. Huh? In Python, T should be capital. In Python, T the capital. But in other languages, T the small. Okay. False also F capital. Remember this one. If you go for Java, if you go for JavaScript, sir, everywhere T is the small. But I don't know the reason. Python people, these are three things starts with the uppercase letter. True, false, none. Remember carefully. Next, we have okay, and operator, are operator, not operator, okay, like is. Observe this, and operator, are operator, not is, okay, like. Next, do you know? Next, if else, elif, else. Have you remembered if else? We have syntax in other languages also. If elif, else. Next, sir, here have you observed? Elif means what? Elif means what? Elif, the name itself indicates, right? Else if. Elif means what? Else if. Elif, okay, like. Next, while, for, break, continue, continue, return, comma, in, comma, yield, like, yield is also one keyword, sir. Remember carefully. Yield itself is one keyword. While loop, for loop, break, continue, return, in is an operator actually, but in usually we are going to use for while loop or for loop, like let me keep no issue at all. Yield like. Sorry. Yeah. Next, do you know? Try. What is the next one? Anyone? Yeah, respond. Yes, try. Okay, catch. Wow, wonderful. Yeah, try, catch. Okay, like how many people I'm seeing in the chat window? Wonderful. Catch, like. So, try, catch, finally, throws. This type of thing is Java. Remember carefully, right? But it's not Java. It's not Java. Okay? It is a Python. Instead of catch in Python, we have except. Catch block means except a block here. Next, finally is there. Finally is also there. Next, and after that, do you know throw? We have throw. So throw, for that, here we have rise. Can you please raise an exception? Like next, assert, it is there in Java and Python everywhere, sir. It is there. Assert is a keyword for debugging purposes, right? Next, import. Okay, import from yes. Okay, yes. Next, class, def. Okay, pass is also a keyword, sir. Here have you observed pass. Okay, def. Class is a keyword. Yes. Okay, import from import, like global to define global variables. Next, non-local, global, non-local. Next, lambda. Okay, lambda functions. Next, del. Next, and after that, with, like. Okay. Now, sir, here these are some reserved words present in Python. Anyone, can you please count how many things came? Yo, I don't know. How many things came? PAUSE is not there. Oh, just you want me to pause to count. How many? 35 came, right? Hey, count man properly. 35 came, right? Array, 34. Wow, excellent. Josna. 32. Wow. Who is this person? Kishore. 30, 32, 34. Yeah, please. I want to just pause until getting unique answer. So please count and then let me know total how many result words are there. Yeah, total 35. Whether you got 35 or not, please cross check. Please cross check. 35 you got or not? No. If you count, only 33 came, sir. Okay, only 33. Okay, 33 is the correct. 33 are there. But in newer versions of Python, okay, there are two new keywords came in Python. Two new keywords or new reserved words came. Okay, async and await. Async and await. Sir, it is for coroutines, asynchronous programming, okay, like multi programming, multi processing, multi threading, like asynchronous programming sake. These two keywords came in the newer versions. So total how many are there, sir? 35 are there. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, now here just observe that. So there is just I'm trying to take import KW list. Okay, import KW list. Okay, next here I'm trying to take just a print KW list. Import keyword. Okay, just observe that. Import keyword is the module. Next keyword dot KW list like this, right? Import keyword dot KW list. Okay, like we have this. What I'm going to get, sir? Just let me execute this code. What I'm going to get? Yeah, wonderful. I got these are the things. Programmatically. Okay, sir, these are the things what I have. Oh, 1 minute. Not. Yes, these are the things what I have in the form of list. Array, how many are there? How many are there? Don't count. Don't count. Let me use it is the list, right? Length of this list. You can ask. Length of this list means how many elements are there? Okay, like sir, now here just observe that. Yes, how many elements are there, sir? 35. 35 are there. Yes, two new things. Async and await. These two are the new words. Okay, remember. Clear, right? Okay, so yes, can we use Karthik, happily you can use, no problem at all. Karthik is asking one small doubt, sir. What is his doubt is what is his doubt here is can we use KW list and keyword as identifiers for variables or something, like he is asking. What is the answer? You can tell. I told that reserved words we can't use as identifiers, but KW word is not a reserved word. KW list is keyword is not a reserved word. KW list is not a reserved word. Happily you can use, no problem. But it is not a good programming practice. That's what you should aware. Clear? Okay. So total how many reserved words are there? Okay, like next someone is asking. Yeah. Okay. Sushovan. Sushovan. No, some statement. Somewhere I saw one comment. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's all. This is. So print is also reserved word or not? Print is not a reserved word. Are you seeing anywhere reserved word? Are you seeing anywhere print? No. It is just a function name. It is a function name, print. That's why you can ignore, no problem. Okay, like. Sir, now the next thing what I have to tell, by seeing these reserved words, you should have some important conclusions. Yes, observe carefully, right? Observe carefully. Yes, all these reserved words, there is one small point is there, sir. All these things contain, all these things contain only, only alphabet symbols. We never seeing any other symbol, correct, right? Array, numbers are using anywhere? Special symbols we are seeing anywhere? No, 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 no. Okay, like we are not. Okay, like so here all reserved words, all reserved words or keywords contain only alphabet symbols. Alphabet symbols. Correct? I hope you can see this observation. Second thing, sir. So except three, in all remaining cases, only lowercase alphabet symbols are there. Except first three, we only lowercase alphabet symbols, only the remaining, except first three remaining, okay, remaining contain only lowercase alphabet symbols, okay, symbols. The people, especially you are coming from other programming languages, yes, please take a bit very special care. True, T is the capital, false, F is the capital, next none, N is the capital. Okay, in other languages like Java, null, we have null is there, null is there in Java. Have you remembered? Null, the people who are coming from other languages, null is there. In Python, the equivalent word is a none, N capital, F capital, and a T capital. Except these things, all the remaining are lowercase alphabet symbols, only contain lowercase alphabet symbols. Next, one more. Next, one more important point. Yes, by simply seeing, you have to take a bit special care. Do you know, we have if is there, else is there, elif is also there. Sir, where is the switch statement? Have you observed? Where is the switch statement? Okay, no switch statement in Python. No switch statement in Python. Remember this one. So the people who are searching for where is the switch statement is not there in Python. Next, there is no switch statement in Python. Next, one more. Sir, we have while is there, for is there. While loop is there, for loop is there. But where is do while? Where is the do while? No such type of loop. Okay, do while loop is not there in Python. Is not there in Python. Do while is not there in Python. Yeah. What is the switch statement? The people who are coming from Java background, you can aware in Java we have switch statement is there, but here switch statement is not there. Okay, one thing. Second point here you have to take care. Sir, what is the switch statement? If you don't know switch statement, you are not required to worry. Okay, this is the people especially who are coming from Java background. Okay, like just I'm using. If you are expecting switch statement here, not there. Okay, like next. So do while is also not there. Next, any other conclusions we can keep? Yes, friends. Some people, the people who are coming from C language especially, okay, sir, go to, and the const are not available. Are you seeing anywhere go to? No go to, no const. Sir, there is no such type of terminology. That's it. These are various important things what you should aware, sir. Okay, so next, final is also not there. Don't worry, final such type of constant terminology is not applicable in Python. Someone is asking about async and await. These two are the new keywords in Python. Karthik. Getting? Any doubt about these reserved words? Feeling comfortable, right? Yeah. Sir, there is uh, yes, Mangesh is asking one small doubt, sir. Okay, keep on typing, keep on sending this doubt in the chat window. Can you please observe that? Sir, print is also reserved word or not? If yes, then why the below code is working fine? Why the below code is working fine? Okay, like yeah. What happens if I do? What happens if I do? Still, it is there something. um, what happens if I do something like print if I can take? Can what is the meaning of this? అసలు ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఇన్ తెలుగు what it means? Okay, so who is asking this doubt? Mangesh. Python students are very innocent kids. Why you have to create fear at the beginning? Please ignore such type of doubts. Slowly we will discuss. Okay, highly recommended. We will discuss these type of things personally. Don't worry, because these people are very innocent, man. They can't bear such type of things. Okay, just the remaining people, these people are innocent kids. Okay, the remaining people, just can you please don't listen my explanation? Just 1 minute here. Don't listen my explanation. Okay, just 1 minute. Especially this explanation is for Mangesh. What happening? Okay, what your doubt? Print is equal to print. I'm taking print double equal to print. What happened in this case? Yeah, let me take. Are you executing from shell, right? From Python shell, Mangesh? Yeah, from Python shell, right? What is your first thing? Print is equal to print. Perfect. Now what is the second line you took? Print double equal to print. True is the answer. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one? Yes, we are defining a variable print. What is the value of this print? Is print. Okay, print. Now, so print double equal to print. Both addresses are same or not? I mean, both values are same or not? Values are same or not? Yes, values are same. That's why true is the answer we are going to get. Now your doubt is print of print. What will happen? Okay, so here print of print means so here it is the predefined function. Have you observed, right? It is a predefined function is there. How I can tell this point is, yes sir, take a bit very special care, sir. Sir, usually we are using print of hello. Okay, 1 minute, print of hello. The remaining people, don't listen my explanation for 2 minutes, please. Okay, print of hello I'm taking. If I can take print of hello, so what is this print? Can you please confirm? What is this print, sir? Print is a function. Remember, print is a function. Of course, method, function, interchangeably you can use. So it is a function. In Python, everything is treated as an object. Remember this one. Everything is treated as an object, including function. Okay, like now, print type of print. Array, this print is an object. What is the type of this one? 1 minute, have a look once. 1 minute, have a look once. Sir, here let me execute. Yeah, built-in function or method print. Are you getting right? It is the print. This is of the type this one. Print is of type this one. Array, what is the address of this one? What is the address of this one? ID. What is the address of this one? Now address is so and so. So take very special care. Print is an object. It is a function. everything in Python is an object. Very important, sir. Everything in Python is an object. Print, even it is a function, itself is an object. Okay, like what I'm trying to take is x is equal to print, y is equal to print, y is equal to print. Now, so print of x double equal to y. What will happen is, sir, print of print x double equal to I. Print of id of x. Id means address. Id of y. The remaining people just don't listen. Id of y. Print. Okay, here id of print I'm trying to take. Yeah. Everything is print. Okay, who asked this one? Mangesh. Next, one more person asked this doubt. Observe what will happen internally. Matter of 1 minute. Okay, here just print I'm taking. Print is a function, itself is an object in Python. Okay, x is pointing to this print object. Okay, x is pointing to print object. Y is also pointing to the print object. Now x double equal to y means x content, y content is the same or not. Yes, true is the answer. Okay, like id of x. id of x. What is the address? Address of this one, print address only. What is the address of y? Sir, address y is also pointed to the same object, same address. What is the address of print? It's already print function. What is the address, right? Same. Yeah. Have you observed, right? Now internally what happening here is, now let me execute this code. Yes, in the first case true is the answer, because both are pointing to the same address, content is the same, address is the same. In all the remaining cases 920 we are going to get. Yeah, the people who are having such a type of doubt, is it clear for you people, right? The remaining people don't listen. Unnecessary, your mind is going to be polluted, I'm sure. Clear, right? Okay, so the remaining people please wake up. Okay, this part anyway not applicable for us. ignore, don't worry. Just his doubt is killing his brain, it seems. Now, yeah. So what is the next? Garbage values concept. Such a type of concept is not there in Python. Sai. Okay, so clear for you people. What is identifier? What is the reserved word? How many reserved words are there in Python? So all the things are very clear. Next, one more thing, sir. One more thing you have to be aware. Sir, in Java or in C, somewhere I saw int, double, char. Okay, like these things are reserved words. Reserved words, right? These are the keywords in Java. Anyone observed? In the old languages or in other languages like C, C++, Java, C#, .NET, everywhere these things are reserved words are not. Long int, like we have. Array, in Python, where we have? Array, in Python, where? We are not having that. Why, man? Ayyo. Why? Why these things are not available? Data types are there in Python, but why these are not reserved words? Why these things are not reserved words in Python? Why these things are not keywords in Python? Because in Python we are not required to declare the type. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Oh, we are not going to declare the type. Then what is the need of these bloody keywords? Have you observed, right? Okay, we don't want to declare. That's why what is the need? That's why these keywords are not there in Python. Take a bit very special care. So Python is dynamically typed programming language. Okay, that's why dynamically typed programming language. We are not required to declare. That's why these things are not keywords. Ignore. That's it. If you people are feeling comfortable up to this, I can go to the next level. Can you please confirm? Yes. Someone is asking about Sainath is asking a small doubt. Can we use Can we use int as a variable? Can we use int as a variable? Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? Can you please confirm? Can we use int as a variable or not? Yes, yes. What is the problem with that? What is the problem with that? Is it there in the list? Is it there in the list? No, 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 no. 1 minute. Have a look once. Int is equal to 10. Print of int. Is it going to accept or not? Let me cross check. Yeah. What is the problem? Getting right? It is not a keyword. Officially it is not a keyword. Then it's valid. What is the problem with that? Okay. Yeah. The next cinema, very dangerous cinema we are ready to discuss. Please take a bit special care about this terminology. The most dangerous concept I'm ready to talk. Data types. Of course, it's a easy, like, don't worry, sir. So, do you know, data types represent the type of data present inside a variable. Data type means the type of data. The type of data present, the type of data represented by a variable. Represented by a variable. Okay, is called a data type. Array, which type of data is there is called data type. Data type itself is. So, do you know, in Python we are not required to declare the type explicitly. We are not required to declare the type. Okay, so automatically the type will be considered based on your provided value. Such a type of thing is by default considered as a dynamically typed programming language. Very important, sir. What is the meaning of dynamically typed? Dynamically typed programming language. In Python, we are not required to declare the type explicitly. Based on your provided value, the type will be considered automatically. Such type of nature is by default considered as dynamically typed programming language. Okay, remember. Sir, x is equal to 10 I am taking. What is the type of x? Array internally, what is the type? 10 is there. 10 is what type? It is a number, int type, right? So print type of x. Print type of x. Now, have you observed, right? What is the type? It is the int type. It is the int type, like data types are there, but we are not required to declare explicitly because it is the dynamically typed programming language. But in the newer versions, happily we can define types also. Okay, how you can do that? That part I will take care. But if you want, we can declare the type explicitly. Even that facility is also there in Python. Don't worry, sir. Now, so in Python, which data types are there? What are various inbuilt data types we have? Okay, here Python has the following inbuilt data types. The following inbuilt data types we have. So which types are there, sir? Very simple. Can you please observe carefully, right? Sir, the first one int type. Second one float type. Third one complex. Sir, these words we are going to use lakhs of times. That's why please take a bit special care. In float, complex. Do you know complex numbers? Anyone aware complex numbers? So somewhere you may heard about 10 plus 20j or something like 10 plus 20j or 20i. Okay, especially the people who are coming from electronics background, electrical engineering applications. I square is equal to imaginary number, real number, like we have. Imaginary number, real number we have. Okay, like such type of terminology is the complex. The biggest specialty for the related to the Python, complex separate data type is there, but in Java we are not having. In C language we are not having. That's why Python is the best suitable. Python itself is the best suitable, sir, for Python language itself is the best suitable to develop electronics engineering applications where complex numbers are there. For mathematics now, so it's a good because inbuilt data type complex is there. Okay, next bool, sir. Bool means boolean only. Next str means string type, right? Sir, can you please observe up to these how many types are there? I respond. How many types are there? int float complex bool str, 5 types are available, sir. Int float complex bool str, 5 types are available, right? Now my question is, listen carefully. Now my question is, these are 5 types are by default considered as fundamental data types of Python. Fundamental types, not complex types, fundamental types, right? Still there are some more are there, sir. Okay, so sometimes we can take list type, sometimes we can take tuple type, tuple type. Okay, sometimes we can take set type. Okay, next frozen set. Okay, next so list, tuple, set, frozen set. Next dict types are dictionary like. Next these data types are collection related data types, array, list of values, tuple of values, set of values, like n number of entry questions are there here. What is the difference between list and tuple? What is the difference between tuple and set? Like multiple things you people can expect. Okay, like next one more thing, sir, we have range data type is there. Range function is there. Range itself is the data type also. Okay, beautiful concepts, sir. Next bytes, byte array. Next none is also there. Sir, have you observed total how many things we covered? 14. Observe this carefully, sir. 14. These are types we require to discuss in detail. At the beginning, the basic overview, of course we are going to discuss these things much, but anyway this one, okay, is the separate topics we are going to discuss also, these are things especially. So as a separate, string is a separate topic, 3 to 4 sessions we require to spend. List is a separate topic, tuple is a separate topic, okay, set is a separate topic, dict is a separate topic. Okay, remember that. But except these, of course these things also very briefly I will cover, but remaining we have to explain here only. But because of scope, we have to discuss some topics at the separate. That's it. These are the data types what we require to discuss. Yes, Karthik. These are the inbuilt data types. We can define our own data types. Correct. We can define our own data types. Is it possible or not? Why not? We can define my classes are best example for our own data types. Student. Okay. Next, OB object is not a data type. Next, one more very important doubt. Someone asked, who is Ajay? Ajay is asking one wonderful doubt. Please observe the remaining people also. Please observe. In the next sessions, I will highlight this point like anything. How to define char data type? Yeah. Sir, where is the char? Where is the char? Where is the double? Where is the double char? Like, so please take a bit special care. Char data type is not available in Python. Wherever char is required, happily we can run with the str type only. Okay, char separate data type is not there in Python. Wherever char is required, happily we can go for str only. Okay, remember. So in the next videos or next sessions, we will talk these things in detail. Don't worry at all. Clear, right? Yeah. What about tomorrow's session? Shall we have session tomorrow? Tomorrow is the festival. If any person required holiday, please let me know. Okay. Yeah. That's what. If any person required, please let me know. Because, okay, so there are some people who may require to go to the church, who may require to do prayers. So in your prayers, please include our batch also to go very smoothly and to learn each and every person very well. Okay. So please, the people who are going for the church, please talk 1 or 2 minutes about our batch also. Okay. Yeah, please pray for all of us. Okay, so tomorrow take enjoy, day after tomorrow I will take the session. Okay, next session will be on Saturday. Enjoy tomorrow. Even Hindu festival is also there tomorrow, I hope. Tomorrow Vaikunta Ekadashi or something like, special. Yes, yes. Okay, enjoy tomorrow. Anyway, day after tomorrow we will meet for the continuation related to the data types. Okay, right sir, thanks. So these running notes we are going to plan. I will share with you people videos, all the things. Don't worry at all. So please make special prayers for 2021. Yeah, Ahmad Khan, definitely we should do that. Okay, yeah, the people who are going for the temple, who are going for, okay, Christmas, special prayer. At least 2021 should be happiest year. 2020 the worst. 2020 seems to be, very fancy year, like, but two worst time everyone had in the world. Now there is another new virus or a new form of corona stay in, or something like, wow, two worst corona 2.0, robo 2.0, like, ayyo. Okay. Uh, so yeah, okay, right sir. So please, day after tomorrow we will meet. Yeah, Sucharita, definitely. సార్ మీరు తెలుగా? అయ్యో, యు ఆర్ నాట్. గణపతి ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు, ప్యూర్ తెలుగు. Where will be the PDF attached? Like, yeah, we didn't share officially the materials, everything. Okay, we will. How many demo sessions we can attend? Yeah, no problem, Karthik. Yes, you can contact our admin people. Yeah. So how to enroll for the course? 1 minute. There are some phone numbers I listed, I hope, somewhere. Yeah, thank God. Okay, these are the contact numbers of our admin people, the people who want to register for these full sessions, because this is the continuation only. Next, it is the continuation only. It is a, don't feel it is the demo session, it is the regular class only. Yam Srikant, it is the regular class only. Syllabus already started, first topic already going on. Yeah, dynamically typed, but data types compulsory we should aware. What is the reason? Slowly you will get. Shiva, these are regular sessions, so don't feel these are the demo sessions. Yes, correct. Hemabindu, none is a reserved word, at the same time none type also. None type, strictly speaking, none type. Okay, we can use the word none type. Okay, yeah, we will share PDF materials, last batch videos, current batch videos. Okay, running all the things we are going to share mostly in the next sessions. I mean, next week we will start sharing, don't worry. Yeah, okay, right sir, thanks for everyone. Tomorrow holiday, enjoy. Day after tomorrow we will meet for the continuation part. Okay, good night. Yeah, advanced happy Christmas. Okay, so just I hope you have some friends are there who are celebrating Christmas. Okay, I hope your friends, if you may not go to the church, but your friends are there who are celebrating Christmas, correct, right? Any of your friends celebrating Christmas? Yes, friends, any of? It's better to give a small gift for them. better to give a small gift, better to buy a small gift, and then better to give, yeah, better to give a small gift for them. Yes, a small, even chocolate also. Yes, please. Okay, so that you are going to tell, you are going to indicate that they are very special for us. That speciality is going to be very helpful for us also in the future. Okay, please celebrate this festival with a small gift for your friends. Okay. Yes, right sir, thanks. Tomorrow we'll meet for, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation part. Thank you. Yeah, so don't forget to give the gift. Today I purchased one laptop, do you know, to give one of my friend who is going to celebrate tomorrow. Laptop there in the screen on Jesus image I kept, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to gift him. So definitely he's not going to forget me. He's a lifetime. Yes, he's that much important for me. Like, we, that from the heart we have to show the feeling. Mandatory. Good programming practice. Yes, to girlfriend. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Any laptop is enough, Ganapati. Not required to have high end configurations. General laptop is enough for the Python. Yeah, how to install Python, these things I will take some separate sessions. Don't worry sir. Anyway, tomorrow is the holiday, the people who are going to spend some time, okay, please just go through this video and try to install Python. It's very easy. Please try to install, okay, Python in your system. Python installation by Durga sir. Okay, in the YouTube there is one video is there, same thing only version is the changed, beyond that nothing sir, everything is the same. Okay, Python tutorial, Python installation. Okay, you can take either first one or second one, no problem, right? Either first one or second one, anything you can take.
అవును ఇక్కడ
Anything you can take, either first video or second video. Okay, this is the second video. Next, even the first video is also there.
Papa, stop!
जर्म्स को ना करो। नया कोलगेट वेट शक्ति माउथ प्रोटेक्ट स्प्रे।
Yeah, sir is there, don't worry. Software Foundation, these people, right? It is a non-profitable organization. Remember this, it's not business organization, sir. Non-profitable organization, just like charitable trust. Okay, so to use Python, to install Python, we are not required to pay single paisa. It's a good news for us, right? It is the open source and the freeware. Somewhere I covered, right? It is the open source and it is the freeware. That's why. So we are not required to pay single paisa to use Python. It's a very beautiful good news, right? So why the Python is very popular these days? It is also one reason. To open and then your OS, like is there explained 64-bit. Select install now. Install Python. Default settings are, yeah. What is the meaning of full stack? Satish Panda, just somewhere in the next session, somewhere I will explain. Don't worry at all. Okay, Python installation by Durga sir, you can check. You can, so complete environment, whatever we are going to use, I kept already. Okay, please just start doing this one. Okay, right sir. Okay, thanks for everyone. So Monday we will meet, sorry, not Monday, Saturday we will meet. Saturday we will meet. Okay, right. Thank you. Advanced happy Christmas for everyone. Yes, friends. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Yes, there are some Okay, so what you can, the people who want to join, okay, Python, who want to just register for full course, so this is the contact information, this is the contact information. Okay, happily you can communicate with our people. Okay, so here mobile numbers are seems to be mixed, 885 25 26 27. Yeah, that's it, sir. Right, thanks. Tomorrow we'll meet for the not tomorrow, Saturday we will meet for the continuation part.